love the color. Look at that. See? It's very nice. Pink. I don't like pink. My favorite color is black and white. I don't like pink because it's too girly. Putang ina na ano na, nakalat na. Do you use brand or just ordinary? Branded manicure? I don't know what is the name of this. Maybe it's not branded because it's cheap. It's not expensive. This is only 45 pesos. Like almost $1 only. Yeah, 45 pesos. Why don't you go for manicure? I don't have time. Yesterday I supposed to go to my churorot, yung naglalagay ng fake nails ko. And it's keep on raining. You know what? It's flooded here in Manila right now, Persad. It's always raining and raining and raining. And I have to do laundry, lots of laundry. And no space to hang the clothes. Di ba? Overcrowded na. Kakalaba. Washing every day and it's always raining. I'm from Philippines, darling. Yes, you see the news. Manila now is flooded. Some places are, it's worse. It's raining almost like 1 week more. I hope later it's not gonna rain because Tisha is going out. Girls like laundry. Where I didn't hear properly. Philippines. Philippines. Nice to meet you. Yes, I'm from Philippines.